Hey everyone, wanna sound smarter, smoother, and way more confident in English? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing 10 super easy English phrases that will help you to look like a pro. And yes, they're so simple that even my pet could learn them if it could talk. Let's dive in without wasting time. First phrase is how are you? A polite way to ask about someone's well being. Use this phrase as a friendly greeting or to show care for someone's condition. For example, how are you? I'm doing well, thanks. How are you feeling after the exams? How are you enjoying the news? How are you enjoying the new job? How are you today? You look cheerful. How are you managing everything at work? Another phrase is, could you please? Could you please? A polite way to ask for something. Use this to make your request sound respectful. For example, could you please pass me the salt? Could you please send me the report by email? Could you please tell me where the nearest bus stop is? Could you please turn down the music? Could you please explain this word to me? Could you explain me the math problem? Could you explain me how this works? Could you explain me how to dress? Could you explain me how to learn English? Could you explain me how to start learning English? Another one is, I don't understand. Just to say you didn't catch or know something. Use this when you're confused or need clarification about something. For example, I don't understand this math problem. I don't understand why the train is delayed. I don't understand what he meant by that comment. I don't understand how to install this software. I don't understand why this recipe didn't work. I don't understand how can I start English without knowing English. I don't understand why this happened. I don't understand why you did this to me. Another one is, can you repeat that? No. Another phrase is, can you repeat that? Asking someone to say something again. Use this phrase when you missed or couldn't hear what someone said. For example, could you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly. Could you repeat that number, please? Could you repeat that name again? Could you repeat that in English, please? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that slower for me? Could you repeat that because I didn't catch that? Could you repeat that because you were fast? Could you repeat that because I don't know what you were saying? So another phrase is I think so. To agree but not 100% sure. Use this phrase when you're uncertain but believe something is likely to be true. Here are some examples. Is the restaurant open now? I think so. Will the movie start at 6 p.m.? I think so. Do we need tickets for the show? I think so. Is she coming to the party? I think so. Is this the right train? I think so. What does that word mean? What does dash mean? Asking for meaning of the word. Use this phrase to expand your vocabulary and better understand the term. For example, what does gratitude mean? What does ambition means in the context? What does this word mean in Hindi? What does reliance mean? What does business mean? What does life mean? The next phrase is, could you explain it? Asking for more details or clarity. Use this when you don't understand something and need it broken down further. Here are some examples. Could you explain this assignment? Could you explain how this machine works? Could you explain the rule of the game? Could you explain me how can I start English? Could you explain me how can I start doing this? Could you explain me why we need these documents? Could you explain me what do you mean by that? Could you explain me what you mean by flexibility? Another phrase is I agree with you. Saying you share the same opinion. Use this phrase to express agreement and show that you're on the same page. Here are some examples. I agree with you. This place is beautiful. I agree with you. We should take a break. I agree with you. He's a great actor. I agree with you. The topic is important. I agree with you. The weather is amazing today. I agree with you. You're lucky. I agree with you. You're wearing the nice dress. I agree with you. This party is amazing. I agree with you. My life is good. I agree with you. We are doing great. Another phrase is, what do you think? No, the phrase is, what do you think? Asking someone's opinion. Use this to involve someone in the discussion or hear their thoughts. For example, what do you think about the movie? What do you think we should do next? What do you think about moving to the new city? What do you think of this idea for the project? What do you think about having pizza for dinner? What do you think about making food tonight? What do you think about wearing nice dress today? What do you think about the weather? What do you think about your life? And the phrases, I'm not sure. The phrase is, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. The meaning is expressing doubts. Use this phrase when you're uncertain or don't know the answer to something. For example, I'm not sure if I can attend the meeting. I'm not sure where I left my phone. I'm not sure what time the bus arrives. I'm not sure if this is the correct address. I'm not sure if I locked the door. Yeah. I'm not sure what you're saying. I'm not sure about anything. I'm not sure about my life. I'm not sure what happened. That's it. These 10 phrases are your ticket to sounding confident and natural in English. Start using them today and watch the magic happens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because sharing is caring. And I've got plenty more tips coming your way. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep rocking. Bye.